Tracksmith Hair Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. The surprising truth about running communities is that motivation often matters more than gear. Tracksmith's Hair membership blends both, but is it worth joining in 2025? Hair is Tracksmith's exclusive membership program for dedicated runners. Members receive perks like early access to product drops, limited edition gear, event invitations, and community challenges. One major benefit is belonging. The program creates a sense of identity around the sport, especially for runners who train seriously. Members often appreciate the storytelling, craftsmanship, and culture that Tracksmith promotes. Another pro is access. Limited releases and special collaborations are available only to Hair members. For fans of the brand, this exclusivity adds value. However, most people get this wrong by expecting training plans or performance coaching. Hair is not a coaching service. It's a lifestyle and community membership. The annual fee can also feel high if you're not deeply invested in the Tracksmith brand. In conclusion, Hair is best for runners who already love Tracksmith and want deeper engagement. If community culture and premium running aesthetics matter to you, the membership can feel rewarding in 2025.